First, I'll be spraying my hair with some water to get it damp. Next, I'll be using my Eco Styler gel for hold. Using a soft bristle brush, I'll be brushing all of the product in. Now I'm taking a hair tie and making a bun. You want to make the bun as small as possible. Taking some more Eco Styler gel, I'm just going to be styling my edges or baby hair. And I'll be using my hair toothbrush to do it. I know it's ghetto, but it works better than anything. I need some real good. To create the swoops, I'm pretty much just using my finger and then tracing my finger with the toothbrush, if that makes any sense. Need some real good loving. Ain't nobody been around here loving on me. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, love, love. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, I see. Look at it. Taking a satin scarf, I'll be tying up my hair to make sure everything stays in place. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, love, love. For the braid, I'll be using the Outre Jumbo Braiding hair. Here, I'm feathering my ends to make sure the ends aren't blunt. All I'm doing is just tugging at the ends of the hair on each side. Taking a hair tie, you want to put the hair tie under the hair, making sure you have a piece on each side, and then you want to bring those pieces together. It's kind of hard to explain, but just watch what I'm doing. Then you'll make a loop, and you want to put that loop on your bun. Ain't nobody been around here loving on me. Now it's time to start your braid. Make sure you don't braid too tight. You want to braid loosely so it'll be a jumbo braid. Oh, yeah. To secure the hair, I'm using 2 rubber bands. I didn't braid all the way at the end because I want to curl the ends of the hair. On the past, now you want to cover your bun. All I did was flip the hair on top of my bun, and I'm using the top of the hair to bring around the bun. Use bobby pins to secure the hair. You want to make sure that your bun is not showing anywhere. So use as many pins as you like and place them wherever you feel they're needed. For the curly parts, I'm using the Freetress Braid in the Bohemian Braid. You don't have to do this part. If you want to, you can just pull pieces of your braid out, roll them up with a flexi rod or a perm rod, and dip them in hot water. I'm going to take a curl and cut it in half. Then I split the hair in half. Taking the crochet needle, I'm going to slide the needle through part of the braid, put the curl on the hook, and slide it through. You should have a loop. When you have the loop, you're going to take 1/2 of the curl and bring it through the loop and tighten it up. Since I don't want too much hair in one area, I'm going to bring one of the ends of the hair and then bring it up to a different side of the braid. Ooh, I need some real good loving. Ain't nobody been around here loving on me. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, love, love. Oh yeah, yeah. To curl the end, I'm using a perm rod and I'm just going to wrap the hair around the perm rod.
'Cause I'm troubled by the things that I see.
You want to dip the hair in a cup of boiling water. You don't have to dip it in that long, and you don't have to wait until the hair dries to unravel the curl. Using these cute little charms that I got from my local beauty supply store, I'll be placing them in my hair.
I need some real good loving, 'cause I'm troubled by the things that I see. Ooh, I need some real good.
I got these little silver rings from my local beauty supply store as well.
Loving on me. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, love, love. Oh yeah, yeah.
Voila, thanks for watching.
Money in the bank, need no cheat, face on beat.